Do you want soup?
Soup. What did you order? Okay. Wow.
Kolik chceš na sebe,
Do you want 2 pieces?
No, just one. Please.
A kdyby bylo málo, tak...
So I'm gonna check what they serve there. Beer, or do you wanna like something with Coke?
I don't know. Maybe let's see later. So maganda talaga rito kasi naglagay sila ng tent dito sa labas para yung mga villagers bago masaksiyan ang pagpapailaw ng Christmas tree ay pwede kang mag-order ng pagkain, ng inumin kagaya ng hot wine, coffee, or beer. So ito lahat, mga villagers to. So lahat to mga kilala ni Hana by faces. Hindi man sa lahat ng pangalan pero by faces. Sila magkakilala. So pag lang hindi nagkikita, nagkikindatan. Oy, how are you? Kumusta ka? Parang ganun. Okay, so look at Sophia. Is it good? I don't like pizza. You can have it all. So, puntahan natin dito si Hana. Oh, meron din palang space dito pag ayaw mo nang malamig sa labas. Dog beer. Kaya Hana, I don't know kung ano yung in-order ni Hana. Darling, what do you have? Okay. So, ito yung kay Hana hot wine. Darling, did you order hot wine?
Hot wine, yeah.
Hot wine. Sa'yo Pinkay, hot tea.
Yeah, it's like a children punch.
Okay, are we going now?
Krásný advent, pěkné svátky, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So yan, nasakyan natin ang pagpailaw nila ng kanilang Christmas tree. So talagang yung mga Czech nagsiselebrate din sila ng Christmas katulad ng sa Pilipinas. Okay, so ito na lahat halos mga mga tao dito sa village. So punta na natin si Hana at si Sophia. My soup.
Oh, it smells so amazing, Sophia. What's that? Soup. You want to try? It's a soup. No, it's like
good. It's okay. She always said it's okay.
It's delicious. It smells.
No, amazing.
It smells amazing, but
No. Good.
So it's eaten with the bread, yeah?
Eating with the bread.
You don't eat the bread, yeah?
I don't eat bread.
Okay, so I'll take care about the bread, yeah?
Okay.
I like bread very much.
Sarap. Tamang-tama sa lamig.
In a cold weather?
Wow. It's full of
Water.
meat.
Sausage. But it's nice and hot, right? In this cold weather.
The meat was delicious.
It's sausage.
Very good. So, okay. Time to go home. Yes, so talagang Christmas na rito din. Ramdam mo yung Christmas na rito sa village. Dahil nga sa pagpapailaw ng kanilang Christmas tree. So time to go home. Dahil masyado nang malamig. Ito mga plastic. So ako ang magtatapon ng plastic. Dito ko ito tatapon. Mga plastic. Okay. Gagawin ko ngayon, didiretso ako, mamalingki sa Japit Bay. Yan. So, division of labor. Ako yung nagtapon ng basura, si Ana at Sofia naglilinis, ako yung mamalingki. Ang hirap mamalingki ng mag-isa kasi yung lahat ng mga nakasulat ay check. So, talagang medyo hirap, kaya nagpapatulong talaga ako kaagad sa mga empleyado. Yung tawag dito, yung mga sales lady nila. So busy ngayon dito kasi Saturday. Pag Saturday talaga sa grocery stores ay talagang busy. Kaya manual si Japit Boy. Okay, bibili tayo ng baboy, butchik. 1 kilogram. Gusto ko yung pork belly. So yan, pag paborito ko talagang mga 5 pounds to. 5 pounds. May higit 1 kilo. Yan. Ako lang bumibira niyan eh. Ako yung kumakain ito. Butchik. Marami pa tayong bibilin na tagubilin ni Hana. So punta tayo doon sa cheese. Hindi nila makakalimutan yung cheese talaga eh. So cheese at saka cabbage salad. Tingnan nyo itong pata ng baboy. Tingnan nyo itong pata ng baboy. Ang dami talagang murang-mura. Ngayon ito. 21 kuron lang. Ito 21 kuron. Sa Pilipinas mga 42-44 pesos. Pero hindi ako nagmamadaling bumili niyan kasi ang dami talagang ganyan dito. Ito boto-boto. Halos pamigay. 19 kuron. So sa Pilipinas mga 40 pesos. Galing no? Okay. Bibisita bukas Linggo yung dalawang anak ni Milan at ni Helen at yung mga kaapuhan nila. Kaya si Mamingka at si Sofia nag-overtime gumawa ng mini cookies. Good morning. Another day in Czech Republic. Maaga pa rin. So, it's Sunday morning dito sa Czech Republic. Giging busy kami today kasi yung mga anak ni Milan at ni Helen, mga kaapuhan, papasyal dito ngayong araw. Pero uli, pasensya na kung hindi ko sila makuha ng video. Ayaw nila ng video, ayaw nilang sumali sa ating YouTube, kaya okay lang. Pero naghanda kami ng pagkain para sa lahat. Yan. Si Darling Hana, oh. At hindi pa tapos ilutuin yan. Itutuloy yan ngayon. At ako naman ay si Hana naghanda ng nag-bake si Hana ng, what do you call this, darling? What kind of cheesecake? Yan, ako nagmarinate ako ng pork steak Tagalog para mamaya lulutuin ko to ng mga, kasi darating sila ng pananghalian. So lulutuin ko to bandang alas 10 ng umaga, kasi mag alas 8 pa lang ng umaga dito. At magluluto din ako ng kanin. Ito yung binake ni Sofia, ni Hana at ni Maminka. Okay, so what else are they? Same thing, darling? Same thing? Put him down. Okay. Yan. Sarap to sa kape. Ang hilig ko talaga magkape. Sa totoo lang, ang hilig ko talaga magkape. Sa isang araw, mga minsan, 3 beses ako magkape sa isang araw. Pinaka less is lang 2 times a day. Pero mahilig talaga ako magkape. So yun.
But you don't eat sweets anymore, right?
No, I stopped eating sweets.
Oh, just a wrong timing.
No, but I could have some later. You know, there are days that, but at least not every day. No, because nang dumating ako rito sa Czech Republic, you know, I like so much Czech goulash and sweets, because I don't know, it's, for me it's really delicious. But I started again gaining weight. Okay, so ang sugar talaga ang culprit sa lahat-lahat. Sugar. Grabe. Kaya hinintuan ko muna panandalian lang naman. Maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. Then once a week, eat some small portion. Okay. So, si Sofia tulog pa.
So now it's time to bake it, make it a little bit crispy.
It's gonna be delicious.
Definitely.
Hana the chef. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, si Hana magaling din magluto. That must be delicious. Wow. Si Hana, pag may time, nagluluto to siya. Magaling ito magluto. Kala niya lang. And then what's that, darling?
It's a fruit for the dessert. Dessert, yeah. That's a dessert.
Berries?
Strawberries and berries, yeah.
Strawberries and berries
And
for dessert.
cherries.
And cherries. But the thing is, you put extra sugar.
No, of course I need to put the sugar because it's currant and it's really very bitter.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna start cooking my pork steak Tagalog. What do you think? Or too early?
No, for you it's okay. I will later do my steaks.
Okay. Because it's just 9 o'clock, okay? 9:25 ang time. So, pananghalian. Ayaw ko naman na isa sa kanila na hindi na mainit. So ito ang aking pork steak Tagalog. Niluto ko ito sa electrical pan nila Hana kasi wala silang malaki. So sabi ko hiramin ko muna itong electric ko nila pan. Wok. Ano bang tawag ito? Wok. Wok. Ang kaya na naman. Dalawa kami ngayon ni Hana ang cook dito sa kitchen. Okay, siya yung typical check na paano sila magluto ng karne. At ngayon ay akin naman ay pork steak Tagalog. Kasalang ko lang. At ang aking pinakamakapangyarihang sibuyas. Mamaya.
Sibuyas.
Okay. Yun.
Where'd you get that pot from?
I borrowed it. From
here?
Neighbor.
From the neighbor. No, this belongs to Tita Helen.
No, we have all.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Alright, I thought like it belongs to Helen. Okay. Takpan muna natin. Wow. Pork steak Tagalog. Ang magpapasarap nito yung dami ng sibuyas. Okay. Done. Okay. Nado. Oops. Ito yung sauce. Lalagyan ko ng mas maraming tubig para sigurado magpapalambot yan mamaya sa ating pork steak.
Wow, the steam.
Woo! This one is the best. Ang dami nating lagay na sibuyas. Dami sibuyas. Okay. Pag malambot niyan sibuyas, magkakalat niyan. Okay.
A chef, for cooking.
Ayos! Pinito! Off natin to. 5 minutes. I'm on time. 5 minutes. I told you I'm finishing. I will finish 11.
Well done. Well done to you.
Okay.
Now rice.
Now I'm gonna cook rice. Kunich.
Kunitz.
Yeah.
Okay.
Finish.
All right.
So you, how about you?
Yeah. Well,
Look at Hannah's,
I'm washing the.
Yeah. I'll show them what you cook. That one? Okay. And kasi ito, it's like there's a fat in it, right? So another meat which is really lean.
This is for another member of the family.
There's a member of the family doesn't want to eat meat with a little bit of fat.
Yeah.
She really loves to eat dry, lean meat. So we prepare this for them. And rice. For everybody, the Bistik Tagalog, everybody loves here. But sorry guys, again, I cannot show you how they eat because they don't like to be in YouTube. But it's okay. At least they tried our food. The Bistik Tagalog. No, pork steak Tagalog. Not because the steak is beef. Alright?